Good morning, my name is Kishore and I am studying 6th in SRIKALAHASTI. Today's my topic name is players.
Tell me about your project directly.
Good morning to all. My name is SRIKALAHASTI. I am studying in 6th class. Today's my topic name is volcano. A volcano is a hole in the earth's surface started, which the process coming out the volcano lava, ash, gas, water. Dr. Kishore School. Today my topic is COVID-19 vaccination. COVID-19 vaccination.
My name is Ratnam. Today our topic is how does the
My name is Kishore. I am studying 6th class. Windmill is a very excellent craft for science and product. Today's project is understanding correlation between junk food and
Say loudly.
consumption of junk food has
Good morning, sir. My name is Saisri. I am studying in 9th class.
Good morning, sir. My name is Amriti. I am studying in 9th class.
Good morning, sir. My name is Tarvi and I am
Our project name is terrace cultivation in hilly areas.
Our project theme is understanding ecosystem for health and well-being.
Our project sub-theme is ecosystem-based approaching using for self-reliance.
Terrace cultivation or terrace farming is a method of growing crops in the sides of hills or mountains on graduated terraces built into the slope. Two main civilizations known for terrace cultivation are the Inaks in South America and Cordilleras tribe in the Philippines. It is mostly practiced in China, Philippines, some parts of Oceania and Southeast Asia and in parts around Mediterranean Sea and Africa. In India, it is mainly seen in hilly regions such as Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and in northeastern states such as Arunachal Pradesh.
Terraces are built on steep slopes to create flat surfaces on which crops are grown. They are built to prevent soil erosion. The rice terraces of Philippines are an example and are considered a World Heritage Site. Terrace farming has been an integral part of the village economy and culture for many years. The agricultural sector is the primary source of income for most of the people, and terrace farming is one of the most common agricultural practices. The terraced fields are mostly used for cultivating crops such as maize, millets, and vegetables. Farmers also cultivate fruits like oranges, kiwis, and apples in these terraced fields.
Terrace farming is the process of cultivating crops in the hilly areas or sides of these mountainous race. By planting the sides of the slopes and carving the slopes to produce the crops. The disadvantages of this terrace farming is soil conservation, boost the soil production, and the advantages of this terrace farming is prevent the sedimentation and water pollution and water circulation.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'm Madhya Raj, the leader of this team, and here are my teammates Sai Sujna and Lohita. Our theme of this project is understanding ecosystem for health and well-being, and something of this project is infectious disease on humans.
As a developing country, India might experience a myriad human climatic effects. This includes malaria, chikungunya, and waterborne illness. Monitoring the spread of infectious diseases will require early warning system. It is suggested that immunosuppressed patients are in cause of infectious diseases.
As the climate changes, the risk also increases. Health threats such as anthrax, vibrio, dengue, etc. Mild winters, early spring, warmer temperatures, giving chances to mosquitoes, ticks, and other insects to create new diseases, giving rise to increasing temperature. Diseases like valley fever are occur. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jeet Anushree from 9th class.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nasrin from 9th class.
Good morning, sir. My name is Good morning, sir. I am Anisha Chedda from 9th class.
Good morning, sir. This is Gayatri from 9th class.
Good morning, sir. This is Chatya from 9th class.
Now we are presenting our plug science project. Our plug science project name is Earthworm's presence in the soil as an indicator. Theme of this project is health and well-being.
Subtheme of this project is knowing about our ecosystem.
Introduction of our project. Soil levels valuable goods and services such as sustainable environment and the society.
Earthworms are very useful for our plant growth. These earthworms gives the plants more fertility to the soil, and these earthworms are very useful for plant growth. So we can see here live earthworms. These earthworms are present in the soil and the water. So these earthworms are very useful for plant growth. Here the live earthworms are presented. There are types of earthworms which are useful for plant growth. These earthworms are very useful for our soil fertility. These earthworms reacts with atmospheric nitrogen and forms proteins which are useful for plant growth.
Future plan for this project. Earthworms has a dark background because nowadays farmers are using chemical fertilizers for fertilization. Earthworms are dying because of these chemicals.
So we should stop using these fertilizers. So by natural things, earthworms can survive. Without earthworms, there is no earthworm, we cannot plant more cultivation. So first of all, I am thankful to our principal sir and director sir and our team guide S. Jayanti ma'am for giving this golden opportunity. And by this project, we know about the earthworms are present in the soil and very useful for plant growth. These earthworms are very useful for plant growth. These earthworms gives us more cultivation and gives fertility to the soil. Due to these earthworms, we can cultivate more plants for more cultivation. These earthworms are very useful to plant growth. And thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Good morning, sir. My name is I am studying 8th class in Dr. Kishore Ratnam school. Today's our topic is about biomass and gas green gas. Let me introduce my team members. Yashashvi Farheen Vedi. Biomass, a renewable energy, is derived from organic matter. It only emits the amount of carbon dioxide the plants absorb throughout their lifetime. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release it back into the atmosphere when they die.
Burning either fossil fuels or biomass releases a carbon dioxide or a green gas. However, the plants that are the source of biomass for energy capture almost the same amount of carbon dioxide through photosynthesis as it is released while growing.
There are many types of biomass. Some of them are wood, municipal waste, animal waste, crops, residues, and etc.
Biomass can be used for many different purposes, and the benefits of doing this so vary substantially from one system to another. So, under a particular set of economic circumstances, SCA is appropriately carried out by considering the actual nature of research. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kishore. I am studying with Dr. in SRIKALAHASTI. Today I am showing about organic farming. Organic farming provides benefits, produce food, fiber and feed. Organic farming helps to make healthy food, healthy plants, healthy soil, healthy environment. Organic farming is become more and more popular with a healthier lifestyle. Environment and consumer are changing their eating habits. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kishore. I am studying in 8th class in Dr. Kishore SRIKALAHASTI. Now I will introduce my team members. She is Ashwati, she is Rika, and she is Sindhu. Today's our club science project is about the ecosystem of groundwater. Groundwater exists on saturated zones and beneath the earth. Now she is what you mean by ecosystem of groundwater.
Groundwater dependent on ecosystem or ecosystem is supported by groundwater. These places, springs and streams included. In many cases, rivers and lakes also included.
Groundwater is a water supply for humans. Groundwater provides drinking water 50% of their global warming and 43% of their basic needs. Worldwide, 2.5 billion people are using water. Depends on the water resource.
The uses of different groundwater recharge practicals provide food and habitat, support biodiversity and culture services. Irrigation purpose mainly in areas where rainfall is insufficient. Thank you.